What is ping flood? In this video, we would discuss that in detail. Ping flood is a denial of service attack. A denial of service attack or DOS attack is an attack that is perpetrated to make a target system or network resource unavailable for its intended users. This attack suspends a network or service temporarily or for an indefinite period. In ping flood, an attacker sends a large number of ICMP echo requests or ping packets to the targeted victim's IP address. Ping is a software utility that is used to test the reachability of a host on an IP network. Ping works by sending an ICMP echo request packet to the target host, and after sending the ping packet, the sender waits for a reply from the target host. In ping flood, attackers send a massive number of ping packets to a target host. After receiving the ping packets, the target host starts responding to each ICMP echo request packet by sending an ICMP echo reply packet. Now, the target host takes twice the bandwidth of the attacker, once for receiving the packets and once for sending the responses. In ping flood, an attacker often uses multiple sources to send a vast number of ping packets to the targeted system, and the attacker spoofs the source IP address in all the packets. As a result, the devices that send the ping packets do not wait for the reply packets. Attackers often use a botnet for that purpose. What is a botnet? We have discussed that in another video. The link is provided in the description. So, if the attacker has much higher bandwidth than the targeted host will get flooded with network traffic. The targeted host starts consuming lots of computational resources, and that slows down the targeted system significantly. This attack may even suspend a network or service temporarily or for an indefinite period. We know that a DDoS or distributed denial of service attack is a type of DOS attack in which multiple sources are used to cause the DOS attack. So, ping flood can also be a distributed denial of service attack or DDoS attack. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more can visit the website of the Security Buddy. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.